ìyá mi ẹ ṣeun mo dúpẹ́ ẹ ṣeun ìtẹ̀sẹ̀ náà la máa rí gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni níta bá jẹ́ lẹ́nu níta bá sọ lójú gbogbo ló máa jẹ́ fún wa ní tá bá tù lẹ́bàá tó yóò mọ̀ dáhùn fún wa ní ẹ ṣeun ìyá mi ẹ ṣeun mo dúpẹ́ ẹ ṣeun o ẹ káàbọ̀
Mama, we come because we dey go UK and we get tour. Madiba updated, far from perfect. Packaged by Don Nice Entertainment.
Very good.
And we dey do show for Newcastle on the 15th. Liverpool on the 17th. Manchester on the 22nd. Birmingham and Wolverhampton on the 23rd. Then London, we dey end up for London on the 24th. So we want make she swear. Say anything will happen for UK, she go close her mouth.
Exactly.
Anything where she see us they do, especially Solo. Anything where she see Solo they do, she go close her mouth because Solo they do. She go close her mouth.
Solo they do. Okay, go calm down now. I'm watching out for a brother.
Now you are still the lookout for now.
Not be okay. You are the left from. No, I'm live. No swear. Make sure not swear. Most who they go report.
We don't come down. Brother, you are the. Make she swear now, today.
ẹ fẹ́ kó mẹ́nu mọ́ wàhálà ọ̀yá súnmọ́ yín make I swear.
Yes, swear. Swear.
Tinú ẹ̀ pick it ọ̀yá
I swear I swear say as we dey go UK so anything wey happen for UK na UK go end.
No other say you know tell their wife.
Okay, I swear this my mouth I go close am. I no go tell their wife.
Mommy, make she still swear. You know, say 2 weeks, not be 2 days. But it don't be fire. When our blood they run for our vein. Make she swear, say, as we come back to Benin, back to Nigeria, if our content finish, make she know one day you just wait to happen for UK to do content. Make she swear.
I'm gonna do spontaneous.
so ọ̀yá
Solo.
Okay.
I swear say if my content don't finish pata, I no go use wetin happen for UK. Content do content for Nigeria.
Even if we quarrel, talk and join. Even if we quarrel,
Say, even if we quarrel, you no go use them against us.
Even if we quarrel, I no go use them against una. Wetin happen for UK ends in UK.
Say, you no go tell my wife.
I no go tell Madiba wife, and I no go also tell Solo wife. He don't finish.
Very good.
He don't finish.
Bẹ́lẹ̀ àṣẹgùn àṣẹwà ẹ̀yà mi ẹ ṣeun kò sí wàhálà.
How far? I will move. And you are the do this. If you can't be, so you know yourself.
I can't make sure not swear again.
No, brother. You know how you take it.
You know how you take
You
it.
dey fist it.
Hello, Mrs. Madiba. I dey fine. How you dey? No vex say you never see me we dey arrange. Your husband, he just follow Solo come on just now. They carry me come try, come swell say anything will happen for UK, make it end for UK. As we dey go this UK so, if they carry woman they carry ashawo they suck peku so, e go end for there. So as I dey like this now, I no go fit come give you any gist no vex anything happen for UK, e end for UK. Bye bye yo. Mama, I dey go.
Hey!